Ladies and gentlemen, in case you are wondering who I am Mr. Prakash Devkota, a software engineering student at Centennial College. Today, I am here to share my opinion on generative artificial intelligence. Many argue that generative AI is a simply waste of time and money, but I don't think so. I strongly believe that generative AI is not a waste of time and money. Rather, it is a powerful tool that drives creativity and innovation, that enhances efficiency and productivity, and enables personalized and scalable solutions. Generative AI significantly expands human creativity by offering new perspective and ideas. For instance, in a drug discovery, AI has identified promising new compounds that accelerates the research process and potentially save lives. Some argue that generative AI is not generative, that but this AI is just parroting back existing information and putting it in a different order in a format. Well, let me give you an analogy. If you take music, for example, even every notes has already been invented. So, in a sense, every song is a recombination or permutation of all the notes that have already been existed and putting them in a different order. Well, we don't say music does not exist. People are still composing and creating new songs from the existing information. I am going to say generative AI is similar. Actually, new content can be generated out of these, and there are different forms that they can take. Even artists and designers use generative AI to explore innovative concepts, and that might not be achievable through traditional methods. Generative AI also enhance efficiency and productivity by automating routine tasks. For instance, AI powered call chatbots manage customer queries that allow people to tackle more complex problems. These automation not only enhances overall productivity but also opens new roles in the field of AI oversight and development. While some argue that the high energy cost and capital investment associated with the AI are problematic, it's essential to view these inventions as a step towards future efficiency innovation. The infrastructure being developed for AI has broad applications beyond the technology itself, which support advancement in various sectors, including healthcare and education. It's not like zero sum up. Additionally, generative AI enables personalized and scalable solutions, which enhance user experience and business outcomes. Personalized marketing powered by AI leads to higher engagement rates and better customer satisfaction. Although concerns about AI generated spam and data quality are valid, they can be addressed through proper regulation and continuous improvement. The AI community is actively working on enhancing and moral accuracy and develop ethical guidelines to manage these issues effectively. So, in a conclusion, generative AI is far from being a waste of time and money. It drives creativity, productivity, it boosts efficiency, and offers personalized solutions that benefit society. Instead of dismissing a generative AI, we should focus on its responsibility, develop to fully leverage its potential and addresses the challenges it presents. Thank you. Thank you for having me. Have a great day. Take care.